Hey guys, it's your girl Didi, and we're at Pickle to get Charlie's shots. And then right here, guys, I am getting ready to go out to go see my sneakers and my bag, who I'm dealing with. I'm showing you the lace. It had a heck of holes in it. This is the makeup I'm using. Ruby 15. Okay, throw the wig on, line it up. I'm not work even. Hold on, on my lunch. Line it up. Look right, and you're gonna spray that thing, you're gonna pull it back, and you're gonna spray it, and then you're gonna be done. It's like really not that hard. Just reinstalling an old wig. So, like this wig is so good. So good. Okay, told you. I'm gonna just spray it and get ready to lay out. Alright. Okay guys, so I did my hair, feeling dressed, and I'm about to be on my way on the road. Not too close because I am not liking this lace, but let's go. Guys, I made it to my destination. Guys, I don't know. I like this dress when I put it on, but now I'm like, I don't know if I should have wore this dress. It's cute. I feel like give me like my hair and stuff like a soft girl look. Not nothing too sexual or, you know. And I'm putting some lip gloss on. Guys, if you don't know, I don't wear makeup. I keep putting on right now. I don't wear lip gloss when I'm smoking. I look so freaking hot. It's so like little. Chest, like, if you know, you know. Oh, if you know, you know. I'm thinking, should I get up some, you know, tonight? Like, do this vibe? Hell no. Never give up the plot. You feel me? Oh my god, I'm just like talking. But not for real. We just out here keeping it up. And nobody gonna tell you things. You know things. You know things. Shit. You mother. I wish I could play some music, but I think I got copyrighted from my Insta video, so it's not. Did I show you guys what you got on? You wear me some shoes. Them other girls, them. Alright, guys. Line long. I'm hungry.
Everybody's gonna get a bite. It was really nice. We need to do some lost monkey. What do you say? Jollibee. I don't want to touch it. You know what? It's so weird. But I just think like play each other. Look who having that episode. You know how we're like 2 in the morning? We probably found out doing this in the middle of that Wendy's. You don't know that? No, we remember that night. I just looked it all up at 2 in the morning. My ticket in there screaming and shit. In the hallway, I think he got we're trying to out the door. We're trying to grab her. They got run straight to us and grabbed her. Sore ass and all. Cause we all up, my phone was all up. We used to their lives. You irritated? I don't know how you don't remember that. You did the accent. No. I don't know why they like it with the gravy. I can do without. The gravy was for like you gotta make it right. People dip the hook in it. You know what, my used to come, people here, she come early. My mama said you come other people say, but you won't come hers. Michael, mama said you prejudice against her. Mama said you prejudice against her. You prejudice against her. Yeah, against her. Mom said how? Because she always doing everything for everybody else. Then she abandoned me a couple days ago. Why, Michael? He dropped it. He dropped it. Turn your head back towards me. Look at me. Get your ass out there. Yeah, she practiced towards your mom. How can I myself? Come on, you myself. Doesn't she cry? Yeah, you tell me. Oh, you look so cute. It's still cute though. Yeah, not telling your mom. See, look, I can grab a piece of hair like this. They're both. You look so cute. Ooh. Let's go. Come on, kids. Mine's got to find her something to do. It's 7 o'clock. At this point. My motherfucker's going on from work, doing people's kids here.